Central air conditioning is one of those things most of us tend to take for granted until it stops working. It's time to take a look at some AC maintenance tips that will help keep your home cool and comfortable. For starters, it's important to change your system's air filter as indicated by a certified HVAC professional. A fresh filter helps optimize airflow and keeps the air conditioner running efficiently, helping prevent potentially costly repairs down the road. Most standard inexpensive air filters need to be changed every 30 days, while the thicker pleated filters typically have a longer lifespan. It's a good idea to note replacement dates on your calendar. This will help remind you to change your filters on schedule. Another essential maintenance step is to keep your condenser clean. A thorough spray with a garden hose once a year or more often if needed will help dislodge grass clippings, leaves, dirt, and other debris to help improve airflow. Although these units are designed for outdoor installation and most can handle a spray from the hose, just check your owner's manual first or consult an HVAC pro to make certain. Be sure to remember to turn off the power at the panel box before cleaning and leave it off for at least a half an hour after you're done. Rain doesn't typically wet the fan motor inside the condenser, but the hose spray might get to it. Don't try to clean your condenser with a brush because the fins are easily bent. Bending the fins interferes with airflow and reduces efficiency. To promote good airflow around the unit, be sure to keep the area around the condenser clear of weeds and keep other items at least a few feet away. A lot of people plant shrubs around their condenser to hide it from view and to help it blend into the landscaping, but properly positioned shrubbery serves more than a decorative function. It can also shade the condenser from the hot sun to protect the finish, improve overall efficiency, and help prolong the life of the unit. Evergreen shrubs are best for this purpose because they don't lose their leaves. If you have shrubs around your condenser, keep them trimmed so that you have at least a couple of feet of clearance around the unit on all sides. Finally, have a qualified AC technician inspect your air conditioning system every spring before the heat sets in. An inspection doesn't guarantee you'll never have a problem with your air conditioner, but it can be helpful in ensuring that the challenging maintenance tasks such as cleaning the indoor coil and drain system are done properly. A professional inspection helps in catching and resolving most minor problems before they have a chance to become major ones. These tips will help keep your air conditioner unit in top operating shape and offer you and the family a comfortable break from the heat.